Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling in Windows 10 PC. Click on the Start button. Go to Settings. Click on the System icon. In the left sidebar, click on Display tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on Graphics Settings link. Under Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling section, toggle the switch to turn it on. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. This is how you can enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching.